Ryan Brown from J. Ryan Brown Law. You've been charged with a drug crime in Carroll County and you are worried about how that's going to affect your future. That is a very common question, a very common concern, and something that we deal with on a daily basis. So Georgia has ways to make sure that you don't become a convicted felon if you've been charged with a drug offense and you've never been in trouble before, pretty much. And there's some nuance to that, but this is the gist. If you don't have felony convictions or you don't have drug convictions and you're charged with a drug possession case, you can enter a plea under something called conditional discharge. That kind of gives you a second bite at the apple, a second chance, where you're not convicted of a felony. Okay, that's great news, right? But the file, the charges, the indictment, the accusation, your guilty plea would still be public record. An employer could still go to Carroll County Clerk of Court and pull your file and see that you entered a plea. How do we combat that? The answer is that we can file a petition to seal your records, to restrict your records at the time of the plea, okay? And there's an argument that we can make to the judge that it is more important for your record to be sealed than it is for the public to be able to access those records. And if we can make that compelling argument to the court, which we have before, the court may issue an order sealing your record to where that information, those documents cannot be released to the public, right? Law enforcement may still have access, things like that if you catch a new charge, but overall, the public as a whole would not be able to access your records. And that is a vitally important step in making sure that you're represented zealously and completely and that you're getting the best outcome possible. So make sure you're talking to your lawyer about whether sealing of your records is appropriate in your case. Please subscribe to our channel for more information. If you have questions about conditional discharge, sealing your record, or your drug case in general, call us at 470-635-1725.